Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and this video is on how to expand brackets. So here we have our first problem. It says x add 2, x add 1. Now we know we're going to times these together because they're both in brackets. That means that there's a little times sign here. The way I do this is something called the parrot method. So we draw a line between the two things we're timesing. So first of all we'll do this x times by this one, which is going to give us x squared. Then we're going to draw a line between this x and 1, which is going to give us plus x. Next we're going to go to the 2. Now we're going to draw it underneath. So 2 times by x is going to give us plus 2x. And 2 times by 1, which is going to give us plus 2. Now this is called the parrot method because these lines are meant to look like a parrot's beak. And that's just an easy way to remember how to do it. But if we go back to this expression, and we're now going to simplify it. So we're going to get x squared, add 2x, which is going to give us add 3x, plus 2. And that is our expression when it's expanded. Down here we're going to do exactly the same. The only difference is there's a minus number, but it shouldn't be that much harder. So if we draw our lines in again, we're going to do this x times by this one, which is going to give us x squared. Then we're going to do this x times by plus 3, which is going to give us plus 3x. Then we're going to do minus 2 times by x, which is going to give us minus 2x. And then minus 2 times by plus 3, and that's going to give us minus 6. Now if we do what we did up here and simplify, that's going to give us x squared plus 3x minus 2x, which is going to give us just plus 1x, but we're just going to write plus x, minus 6. So that's our expression fully simplified. Here we have our third problem, and it's not that much harder either, but this time we just have multiple x's. So if we start how we did on the other one, we're going to do 2x times by x with our little line up above, so that's going to give us 2x squared. And then if we do 2x times by plus 1, that's going to give us plus 2x. Minus 4 times by x, that's going to give us minus 4x. And then minus 4 times by 1, which is going to give us minus 4. And then if we simplify this, we're going to get 2x squared, add 2x minus 4x, which is going to give us minus 2x, minus 4. And that's our expression fully simplified. Now if we do the same down here, we're going to do 3x times by 2x, which is going to give us 6x squared. 3x times by minus 1, which is going to give us minus 3x. Minus 2 times by 2x, which is going to give us minus 4x. And then minus 2 times by minus 1. Because there's two minus numbers, that's going to give us a positive overall, so we're going to have plus 2. If we simplify this again, we're going to get 6x squared minus 7x minus 3x plus minus 4x, which is going to give us our minus 7x, plus 2. Now here we have our fifth problem, and it says 2x add 2 squared. And like any square number, this means we have two lots of this whole thing because it's in brackets. So we've got 2x add 2 times by 2x add 2. So if we do our parrot method like before, 2x times by 2x is going to give us 4x squared. 2x times by 2 is going to give us plus 4x. 2 times by 2x is going to give us plus 4x. And then 2 times by 2 is going to give us plus 4. If we simplify that like before, we're going to get 4x squared, add 8x because we've got two lots of 4x, add 4. And that is 2x add 2 all squared. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below any future video ideas that you guys think I could make to help you guys out. Also be sure to check out my social medias, which are all in the description box below.